What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy Eric. So the question is that what is the question? Okay, the full version of Photoshop on iPad mean that the PC. Yeah. If you don't know, there's a rumor, or yeah, there's not a rumor. What according to my sources, I already confirmed the full Adobe Photoshop is coming. The only reason I still carry a Windows laptop or a Windows tablet or a Windows like some kind of pocket PC with me due to Photoshop. I use Photoshop a lot. If we are going to have a full Photoshop on iPad, the number one thing, it need a mouse support. If do not have a mouse support, I'm not going to use finish khalas. I'm not going to use it. Literally without mouse support on iPad, they I won't even come near the Photoshop on iPad with a 6 pole inch. Literally no. No, thanks. Thanks Adobe, thanks Apple, thanks. Don't be a bad Apple, don't be a bad Adobe. Please give me a mouse support. If you give me a mouse support, then we started talking. Yo, man, now we are going to start talking some serious. Then I think so it can be the early stage of the real, real, not we saying like symbolic real that of the PC. Yeah, that is my 2 cents. It was me, Jimmy. Check out the links in the description box below. Support me on Amazon. Bye.